Hi everyone, my name is Alan Blanchard and I'm the country head for the UK here at Apiax. We are a regulatory technology or RegTech startup, and what we do is we make it radically simple for everyone to comply with regulations. And it's a real pleasure to be here with you at Fintech Junction, and I'd like to spend the next 5 minutes talking about growth. Now, you're obviously going to ask yourself, why does this RegTech startup want to talk about growth? Because we work with a lot of startups, especially in the fintech space, and in preparation for this event, we asked a number of them about their main growth pains. And here's what we learned. The top growth challenges for fintech startups are funding, finding good people, and defining the right go-to-market strategy. And this list definitely makes sense, but we also realized that something was missing. Because from my experience when working with clients and partners, I see one important additional challenge. And that is regulatory complexity. Why regulatory complexity? Well, actually, this is fairly straightforward, because as soon as you as a fintech want to offer a service or sell a product across multiple countries, restrictions from different jurisdictions and regulators kick in. And I'm sure everyone is aware of this. Regulation is definitely a huge pain across all major industries. In the financial service industry alone, compliance costs accumulated to $100 billion in 2016. Now, I'm going to give you 3 specific examples of how we might support growth here. So firstly, imagine you're a challenger bank and that your main growth hack is to hand out free credit cards. If you can't master the regulatory restrictions for offering these credit cards in every single market, you will not be able to grow across borders. My second example applies to essentially any tech startup offering its services in the cloud. Did you know that non-compliance with GDPR, the data protection regulation in the EU, can lead to multi-million euro fines? Therefore, as a cloud service provider, you need to understand the data protection rules in the countries you operate. And my final example is for robo-advisors. In many countries, the investment advisory process is one of the most regulated financial services. Marketing rules, product distribution rules, suitability rules, the list goes on. So if you want to scale your robo globally, you have to develop a smart process of complying with these complex and ever-changing rules. But where's the problem here? You can simply go to your preferred lawyer, obtain a legal opinion, pay them €20,000 per country. That's no big deal, right? Well, we do not think this is okay. And by now, you might have guessed it. This is exactly where Apiax fits into the picture. At Apiax, we want to change the way companies deal with regulations. We transform written regulations into digital compliance rules, giving your growth hackers immediate answers to their most pressing compliance questions and empowering your tech team to create software that is compliant by design. We offer you digitalized compliance rules from leading content providers, easy access to these rules, and everything you need to digitalize and customize your own expertise. Now, none of this would be possible without a great team. And at Apiax, we are a team of more than 35, combining exceptional legal and compliance expertise with outstanding tech capabilities. Our mission is to give everyone easy access to compliance knowledge and to enable companies in an increasingly regulated economy to stay focused on their core business objectives, delivering high value and unique experiences for their customers. The RegTech revolution is happening right now, and we would love you to be part of it with us. Thank you very much for your attention.